Now fill, obviously if you want to fill colour as I have done there, so let's make that. Normally I stick to greys if it's a professional thing, because people have complained that my spreadsheets can look a bit too colourful and garish sometimes. So that is definitely useful to make things stand out, and also the font colour. So if that was, for example, red, black on red doesn't really stand out so well, so I might want to make the white on red. It looks quite good, or yellow on red, and then especially if it's bigger. I mean, that would be a way of really drawing someone's attention to a certain number, but you have to be careful not to overdo it. But it's just really to show you that it is possible if you want. So this alignment, so I definitely center things sometimes, especially if they're along the top. So supposing these are months, so we have Jan. Now if I click on the bottom right hand corner there, it turns into a cross, and I drag that along. If that's Jan, it's intelligent enough to know that I want the other months as the other column headings, so it fills them in for me. So on a table like that, the text is left aligned and the numbers are right aligned, which looks a bit weird. So I'll probably keep the numbers right aligned, because then it's easy to see that, okay, this is in the hundreds, that's in the thousands. So it's good to have those aligned, but the text at the top we can center, and then that will look a bit better. There we go. Now the other thing we can do is to vertically center. So if we do that, you see these text is all at the bottom, but suppose we want it in the middle of the cell to just add a bit of space between the text and the table. We can click on that one, or we could put it to the top.